Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Two-dimensional.
What does the dictionary say?
Having the dimensions of height and width only.
Math rap.
Two-dimensional, better known as 2D, has width and height but no thickness, see? Circles, triangles, and things like a square are all 2D, so be aware.
Math rap.
What Star Wars character is 2D? R2D2. Why did the pages never want to leave the book? They were too dependent. Explain two-dimensionality in your own words. Stand up, put your feet together, arms at your side, hop around and pretend to be 2D. Do the 2D dance. If you were 2D, what is the first thing you would do? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!